Not all wood damage is the same. Can you tell what's eating your wood? On the left, we have wood borers. On the right, drywood termites. Let's break it down. Wood borers leave behind small round exit holes, often with fine powder, known as frass. They're beetles in disguise infesting timber and leaving quietly. Drywood termites, on the other hand, live inside the wood, forming colonies and kicking out sandy droppings. Their damage, hollow galleries, and major internal weakening. Not sure what's damaging your wood? Contact us now.